Photography is more than just taking beautiful pictures. It is a business that allows creative people to earn income while helping individuals, families, organizations, and businesses capture important moments and tell powerful stories. In Kenya, photography has become one of the most promising creative businesses because the demand for quality images continues to grow. Weddings, graduations, birthdays, corporate events, social media marketing, real estate advertising, tourism promotion, and online businesses all rely on professional photography services. Many successful photographers in Kenya started with a simple camera, a passion for photography, and a willingness to learn. Some began as hobbyists taking photos for friends and family before turning their skills into a profitable business. The good news is that you do not need to own the most expensive equipment or have a large office to start. What matters most is your ability to deliver quality work, satisfy clients, and market your services effectively. Before starting a photography business, it is important to understand that photography is both an art and a business. While creativity helps you produce attractive images, business skills help you attract customers, manage finances, and grow your income. The photographers who succeed are usually those who combine technical skills with strong customer service and marketing. The first step is deciding the type of photography business you want to operate. Photography is a broad industry with many opportunities. Some photographers focus on weddings because wedding clients often spend significant amounts on quality photography and videography. Others specialize in events such as birthdays, graduations, corporate functions, and religious ceremonies. Some photographers concentrate on studio portraits, while others build businesses around fashion photography, product photography, food photography, wildlife photography, or real estate photography. Choosing a niche helps you become known for a specific service. When clients think of wedding photography, for example, they are more likely to remember a photographer who specializes in weddings than someone who offers every service without a clear focus. Specialization can also help you charge higher fees because clients tend to trust experts. Once you have chosen your preferred niche, the next step is developing your photography skills. Even if you already know how to operate a camera, continuous learning is essential. Photography trends change, and clients expect high-quality results. You can learn through online courses, photography workshops, tutorials, books, and practical experience. The more you practice, the better your skills become. Learning photography involves understanding lighting, composition, camera settings, image editing, posing techniques, and storytelling. Good lighting can transform an ordinary photo into an extraordinary image. Understanding how to work with natural light and artificial light will significantly improve your results. Composition helps you arrange elements within a photograph in a way that attracts attention and creates visual impact. Editing is another important skill. Most professional photographs undergo editing before delivery to clients. Editing software allows photographers to adjust brightness, contrast, colors, sharpness, and other elements that improve image quality. Developing a unique editing style can help differentiate your work from competitors and create a recognizable brand. After developing your skills, you need to invest in equipment. Many aspiring photographers believe they need the most expensive camera available before they can start. This is not true. What matters is having reliable equipment that produces professional quality images. A beginner can start with a camera costing between 80,000 Kenya shillings and 150,000 Kenya shillings, and still produce excellent results. Besides the camera body, lenses are extremely important. Many professional photographers consider lenses more important than the camera itself because lenses have a major impact on image quality. A good portrait lens can create sharp images with attractive background blur, while a versatile zoom lens can handle different shooting situations. Other essential equipment includes memory cards, spare batteries, a tripod, camera bag, external storage devices, lighting equipment, and a computer for editing. As your business grows, you can gradually upgrade your equipment instead of making large investments immediately. One of the smartest approaches for beginners is to start with what they can afford and reinvest profits into better equipment. Many successful photography businesses were built this way. Instead of taking loans to purchase expensive gear, photographers used earnings from early projects to improve their equipment over time. Building a portfolio is the next critical step. Clients rarely hire photographers without seeing examples of previous work. Your portfolio serves as proof of your skills and professionalism. If you are new to photography, you can create a portfolio by photographing friends, family members, community events, or local businesses. You can also organize practice photo sessions to showcase your abilities. For example, you may collaborate with models, makeup artists, fashion designers, or entrepreneurs who need promotional photos. Such collaborations can help you gain experience while building a collection of professional images. Your portfolio should focus on quality rather than quantity. It is better to showcase 20 outstanding photographs than 100 average images. Potential clients often judge photographers within a few seconds of viewing their work, so your best images should be displayed prominently. Once you have a portfolio, it is time to establish your business legally. Registering your photography business can increase credibility and create opportunities to work with larger clients. Many companies and organizations prefer dealing with registered businesses because they appear more professional and trustworthy. Business registration also helps separate personal finances from business finances. This makes it easier to track income, manage expenses, and prepare financial records. Having a business bank account can further enhance professionalism and simplify financial management. Pricing your photography services is another important decision. Many beginners struggle with pricing because they fear losing customers. As a result, they charge extremely low rates that barely cover costs. Underpricing can make it difficult to grow your business and may even create the impression that your services are low quality. When setting prices, consider your equipment costs, transportation expenses, editing time, software subscriptions, business permits, taxes, marketing expenses, and profit goals. Photography involves much more than taking pictures. Every project includes preparation, travel, shooting, editing, communication, and file delivery. For example, a portrait session might take only 1 hour to photograph, but editing and client communication may require several additional hours. Your pricing should reflect the total amount of work involved. Wedding photography is often among the highest-paying photography services in Kenya. Depending on experience, reputation, and package offerings, photographers may charge anywhere from 30,000 Kenya shillings to several 100,000 Kenya shillings for wedding coverage. Corporate photography, product photography, and commercial projects can also generate significant income. Marketing is where many photography businesses succeed or fail. Even talented photographers struggle if potential clients do not know they exist. Effective marketing helps you attract leads, generate bookings, and build a recognizable brand. Social media is one of the most powerful marketing tools available to photographers. Platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube allow photographers to showcase their work and connect with potential clients. Posting consistently can increase visibility and demonstrate expertise. Instead of only sharing finished photographs, consider posting behind-the-scenes content, editing demonstrations, client testimonials, photography tips, and stories about your work. Such content helps build trust and keeps audiences engaged. A professional website is another valuable marketing asset. Your website acts as a digital office where potential clients can learn about your services, view your portfolio, read testimonials, and contact you. A well-designed website can attract customers through search engines and generate inquiries around the clock. Search engine optimization is particularly important because many people search online when looking for photographers. When someone searches for wedding photographers in Nairobi or graduation photographers in Kenya, a properly optimized website can help your business appear in search results. Customer service plays a major role in photography business success. Many clients may not fully understand photography, so they appreciate clear communication and professional guidance. Responding quickly to inquiries, explaining services clearly, and delivering images on time can significantly improve customer satisfaction. Satisfied clients often become repeat customers and referral sources. A bride who enjoys working with a photographer may later hire the same photographer for maternity photos, family portraits, birthdays, and other events. Positive word-of-mouth recommendations remain one of the most effective forms of marketing. Networking can also help grow a photography business. Building relationships with event planners, wedding coordinators, hotels, conference organizers, schools, churches, and marketing agencies can generate consistent referrals. Strategic partnerships often provide opportunities that would be difficult to obtain through advertising alone. Financial management is another area that should never be ignored. Successful photographers track income and expenses carefully. Maintaining proper financial records helps identify profitable services and control unnecessary spending. It also helps during tax preparation and business planning. Creating a budget can help manage cash flow effectively. Equipment upgrades, marketing campaigns, software subscriptions, and transportation costs should all be planned carefully. Avoid spending all profits immediately. Instead, allocate funds for business growth, emergency expenses, and future investments. One common challenge photographers face is dealing with seasonal fluctuations. Wedding bookings may peak during certain months, while corporate projects may vary throughout the year. Diversifying services can help stabilize income. For example, a wedding photographer may also offer corporate photography, family portraits, and product photography. Technology continues to create new opportunities within the photography industry. Businesses increasingly need visual content for websites, social media, advertisements, and online stores. This growing demand creates opportunities for photographers who can provide professional content quickly and consistently. Video production is another area worth considering. Many clients now prefer photographers who can also provide videography services. Adding video capabilities can increase revenue and make your business more competitive. Even basic video services can attract clients who prefer working with a single creative provider. Drone photography has also become increasingly popular. Real estate companies, construction firms, tourism operators, and event organizers often use aerial photography and video to showcase projects and locations. Learning drone photography can create additional income streams and differentiate your business from competitors. As your business grows, you may eventually consider opening a photography studio. A studio provides a controlled environment for portrait sessions, product photography, and commercial projects. While opening a studio requires additional investment, it can enhance professionalism and increase service offerings. Hiring assistants, editors, or additional photographers may also become necessary as demand increases. Delegating certain tasks allows you to handle more projects and focus on activities that generate the greatest value. Growth should be managed carefully to maintain quality and customer satisfaction. Many photographers make mistakes that limit their success. One common mistake is purchasing expensive equipment before building a client base. Another is failing to back up photographs properly. Losing client images can damage your reputation and result in financial losses. Some photographers neglect contracts and agreements, which can lead to misunderstandings about pricing, deliverables, and deadlines. Having clear agreements helps protect both the photographer and the client. Professionalism in every aspect of the business builds trust and reduces potential conflicts. Another mistake is failing to adapt to industry changes. Photography trends, editing styles, social media platforms, and customer preferences evolve continuously. Successful photographers remain flexible, learn new skills, and embrace innovation. Patience is essential when building a photography business. Very few photographers achieve instant success. Most spend months or years developing skills, building portfolios, attracting clients, and establishing reputations. Consistency is often more important than talent alone. Every successful photographer started somewhere. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is often persistence. By continuing to improve your skills, market your services, and deliver excellent customer experiences, you can gradually build a thriving business. Photography in Kenya offers tremendous opportunities for creative entrepreneurs willing to invest time and effort into their craft. Whether your goal is earning extra income, becoming a full-time entrepreneur, or building a large creative company, photography can provide a rewarding path toward financial independence. The journey begins with a single step. Start learning, start practicing, build your portfolio, market your services, and focus on delivering value to every client. With dedication, professionalism, and a commitment to excellence, a photography business can grow from a simple passion into a profitable and respected enterprise that serves clients across Kenya and beyond. /span/p/body